Come to me, come. Come to me, Manny. Keep it on the food and keep the camera on. Hello, folks. You see me good, Manny?
Yep.
Hello, folks. What's up? I got my man, Manny, the cameraman here, right here. This is what we call right here. I had it sliced up right here, with just pork shoulders here. A lot of herbs and spices on it. Now, this is how we do it. Now, Carolina, I'm going to tell y'all something. Y'all big smoker guys, right? Y'all grill. This is a smoker. Cast iron. Now, if anybody want to come into the chef and see what it's all about. Hey, Mom, this for you, baby. And I got many more to come, all right? I love you, Mama.
Ah, great.